Alhamdulillah, about a year or so ago, I launched the YouTube channel, The Language of Quran Easier Than English. The videos that were uploaded were mainly to do with learning Arabic to understand Quran, focused on Arabic grammar and the essential Arabic we need, vocabulary, grammar lessons, etc., to begin to understand Quran. I was overwhelmed by the positive responses, the du'as, the appreciation, and really surprised by the demand from English-speaking Muslims around the world to learn Arabic to understand Quran. The most frequent request that I got through email, through messages on on the YouTube channel and many other sources was that everybody wanted some sort of book or note form that they could follow while watching the videos to really learn the lessons well. So alhamdulillah, about 6-7 months ago, I started collating my notes, rewriting all the notes and putting them in order so that inshallah ta'ala you could find them as a rich resource to not only watch the videos but also to learn the essential Arabic, covering the most important aspects of Arabic. So I have reordered the lessons, and first 15 lessons in the form of book 1, alhamdulillah, is published and is now ready for you. The ebook is now already available, and the paperback book will be available from January, inshallah. It is with the printers, and the book covers the essential Arabic that I've already been covering in the video, but in a bit more structured way. Let me show you a few pages from the book to show you what it contains. The book has 15 lessons. You can see them numbered here sequentially. I start with the mapping of Arabic and then go into Arab, and then all the other lessons, most of which are videos, are available already on YouTube, inshallah. So the book covers all of the essential Arabic you need in 15 lessons, detailed examples, 272 pages in total, I believe, which has not only the notes but the examples as well as many Quranic examples. So here is a 2-page examples of what you have, and each of the lessons where applicable, I have used a lot of diagrams and charts to make the Arabic grammar simple as possible, to remove all the mystery, to simplify it, to bring it down to basic simple level that any English speaker can understand, inshallah. And this form of notes, I hope and pray, will save you writing hours and hours of notes or trying to recall a lot of grammatical terminology, which can be very technical and dry for new students. So each of the lessons, where applicable, will have maps and diagrams which will help you. Not only that, the main lesson, which is numbered, of course, but then there are sub parts of the lessons are also clearly marked and numbered. So in the new videos which I'll be releasing inshallah in the coming year, we'll have references to the part of the book where the notes are also available. So you'll find it easier to follow, inshallah. And of course, very well spaced out, easy to read in simple plain English, as well as there will be many tables, charts and diagrams to help you acquire the subject. Also, you'll find at the end of each lesson, where applicable, a quiz. Full quiz teaching you the main aspects of the lesson, quiz or exercise, whatever you want to call it, and that will also be a part of the book as well. So 15 lessons with detailed notes, simple plain English, as well as, of course, exercise at the end. Not only that, the book has what I call the priceless gems, 57% of the words of Al-Quran. And there are many books available in the market, 70%, 80%, just list of words. This is not the way. It's a different way here, alhamdulillah. All the vocabulary that I've listed here are actually in the structure of the lesson itself. So not only will you learn the lesson of the Arabic grammar, but you'll also acquire the vocabulary that you need from the Quran, relevant to the grammar lesson, inshallah. And they're all marked with lesson numbers where the subject is taught, and also grouped. So these words, alhamdulillah, book 1 has 57%. The rest, bulk of it, will be covered in book 2, inshallah. So this is structured vocabulary, not just a list. Because in Arabic, learning Arabic is not about learning words. It's knowing how to use them, how to recognize them, how they're used in context, and also translating them. So this is available also in the book as part of the appendix, inshallah, you'll find at the end of the book. I've also included in the appendix the subject of I'rab, all the summarized notes that you need to be able to, first of all, know the 3 different I'rabs, the roles, as well as the different categories of ism and how they decline, how they change their ending, if they do, how they change it, all summarized in just a few pages. So this last part of the appendix, inshallah, will become a rich source for you to study not only my course, anywhere else you study, inshallah. And book 1, we've covered quite a few of the aspects, but in book 2, inshallah, we'll look at verbs and things in general. So this reference sheets will become very, very useful for you and save you writing endless amounts of notes and recording stuff. You simply open up the sheet and this will have all the things that you need to know. What are the 3 different i'rabs, which role indicates which i'rab, and which type of ism declines or changes its ending, which one don't, how do they change it, etc., etc., all mapped out for you in simple pages. So these are the contents of the book. So book 1, alhamdulillah, with 15 lessons ready for you. Bi-idhnillah, by the grace of Allah, I ask for the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, his forgiveness in helping me to complete the book 2 as well, which is under production at the moment. I'm going through the notes, inshallah, very soon. I'm hoping in the next 3-4 months, I'll have book 2 also ready for you. And that will cover detailed analysis of learning how verbs work in Arabic, as well as how they conjugate, how they change, how to recognize them and translate them. And this will be the foundation of what you need. And in book 3, inshallah, I'll cover the advanced topics. So there'll be a series of books. Again, I ask Allah's help. I ask for his mercy and his forgiveness to give me the ability to complete. Inshallah, book 3 will have advanced, and book 2 is already in the plans. Book 1 ready for you. Alhamdulillah, not only the book is available in electronic format, which is an ebook, but you will also be able to download it, print it, do whatever you want. Please do respect the copyright. It is your own copy, inshallah. But you will also have within the website access to exercises, model answers. You can also use the interactive ebook, which is also available online at the QR code, which you can scan there, or the website there, www.ilmhub.net, and you'll have a full package. I'm going to take a few minutes of your time, inshallah, show you how that learning system works, what are the things you can have in there, and of course, most importantly, if you have any question to ask on the book itself or all the subject you're learning, inshallah, you can ask questions directly to me through the website on the topic itself, and inshallah I can respond. Allah give. When you land on our website, ilmhub.net, please pay attention, is .net, .net, ilmhub, one word. Once you are here, alhamdulillah, you will find very soon a series of courses. I'm working in the next 2 years. My plan is to load a number of courses here on this very sophisticated learning management system. At the moment, there's only one. You'll click on this and this will take you to the main page, which is for the ebook program that I'm showing you here. Of course, if you do the QR code, you'll end up there. You simply enroll by clicking on this button. Once you've enrolled onto the course, you'll have the access to the course player, and the course player contains all the package that I'm talking to you about. But the front page will give you some information about the course itself. Should you want to contact us, you can contact us through here. Of course, support, contact, all the other connections are available there. If you want to contact, you simply click on here and you can send us a message directly, inshallah. It's better than messaging on YouTube directly, inshallah. Once you have enrolled, you'll end up in the course player. The first question you're going to ask, where is my book? Well, your book is here. You can see your ebook, Language of Quran Easier Than English, volume 1. You click on that and your book will appear here. Now it's normal PDFs, but it's got a built-in viewer here. So you don't really need to print it unless you specifically want to. It'll save you the money, but all the book and all the lessons are here. They're all sequentially numbered. Downloading is easy, printing is easy. You can choose which page you need to print, etc. And you can download a copy onto your computer by clicking on this clip icon that you can see here, and just simply click on that and it will download for you. Please, again, I repeat, kindly respect the copyright. It's the payment you make for it is going to help us continue to develop more courses and pay for all this system as well. Anyhow, the additional feature of this package, rather than just the book itself, let's say you wanted to study, or you were studying lesson number 3 as an example. You click on lesson number 3. You have also an interactive ebook version of your a lesson. So you have now the one you've seen in your PDF, but this is interactive. What do I mean by that? If you wanted to actually mark something here, you can highlight, then this is your own marking, and whichever way you want to. There are 3 different highlighting options there in color. So next time you come to study it, those points will stand out for you. So you read the notes, watch the video, few things that you want to highlight and remind yourself, you simply highlight here. And then, of course, you can also do normal pen highlight. I'm just going to show you here one more, and you can mark the parts that's relevant to you. Like I mentioned before, there's charts, diagrams, everything in the lesson to help you learn. The other very nice features of this is that, let's say you wanted to remember and recall this part which is important to you, you can put 2 stars there and it reminds you that this is an important section. You can also write, for example, here you can write a comment. So the comment could be, need to learn this part. Okay, or you could write, I need to know more information, whatever you want to write. This is your comment and nobody else will see that apart from yourself. And let's say that you came across certain parts of the lesson which you found a little bit complex, need some more information. You can simply click on here and you can actually ask me question here. Please make sure you make your question very clear and relevant only to the topic. I will not be answering question outside the topic. Please put it there and I will be answering 3-4 times a week. I'll go there on and I'll check online and I'll be able to answer. This is a lot better, well organized than asking questions on the YouTube channel. So all of that program package is there for you. So you have all of that, inshallah ta'ala, all on that learning program. So you can see that inshallah in the course player itself. But not only that, what else do we have in the program? So each lesson will have a quiz. So you click on this and this is your quiz, right? You can download again, exactly the same principle, print and redo the exercise. Please make sure that you do these exercises. They're very, very important. But the beauty of this, you have the quiz there, but you also have the model answers. So if all the quizzes are answered for you, a model example answers, inshallah ta'ala, which is also available for you on the same package. So as a program, you have the ebook itself, of course, you have an interactive ebook, quizzes, model answers, and all the other things I've already mentioned, all part of that package, which you can see in the course player, and that package is yours. So alhamdulillah, a full package for you to begin to study the subject. Book 1 is now ready. Book 2, inshallah, within a few months will be ready. So you get your full book. You can highlight notes, text, bold, make notes on them, comment to the text, etc. You can also do the exercise and the model answers you can download, and of course you can ask questions to the to myself as part of the program. This package is available for you, alhamdulillah, for 2 years. So from the date you purchase, it'll be 2 years. And if I rewrite the book, or I correct something in the book, or I publish another edition of the book, you will have it for free. So full package, inshallah, all of those things all in one to help you learn. As I said, we will do the same thing for book 2 very, very soon. Inshallah, I have big plans for this program. Book 1 is ready, book 2 is coming soon, and both of them will be available in e-format as well as printed format. Inshallah, e-format will the resources mentioned. Very soon there will be a full learning program for Arabic, inshallah, on that website, where we will be able to go from book 1, book 2, book 3, etc. to advanced level, inshallah, taking you through with a full learning resource that you can enroll and join the program. Inshallah, also in the website, we will be putting up some number of courses, quite a few of them free, for the purpose of da'wah and learning the basics of Islam. So understanding Islam, seerah, of the life of the Prophet, peace and blessings of God be upon him, general knowledge on Quran also will be available. So if you want to support the program, please do go to the website and click on the support link also. As for now, Jazakumullahu khairan for all of you, for all the positive feedback, and I hope and pray that the book is of benefit to you. And please do keep me posted, and if you find any mistake anywhere, please let me know. We're all human beings and prone to making mistakes. Inshallah, we'll correct them for everyone's benefit. Until the next video, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
الذي علم بالقلم